Hello everyone. The product image and the serial number in the picking order app is the powerful tool that allows the user to view a product image and the serial numbers for each added line in the picking order and making it easier to identify and select a correct product for the shipment. So now let's get into the inventory and see how it actually works. Now let me get into the delivery orders and create a new delivery order right away here. Now from here, user can see a serial number as well as the product image in the order line. User can enable an image print option which is available here to print and product image on the delivery order as well as in the picking slips, right? And can add an image size after enabling this option, and also enable a serial number print option to print a serial number in the report. Now let's select an size as well as the print. Now we need to add an product right away here. So from here let me choose a product and we need to give the quantity as well. Okay, like the same way I'm going to choose another product with the same quantity, right? So once this is done, let me save this one. From here user can print an picking operation as well as the delivery slip. Now let me get into the picking operations and see how it actually seen. So user can see a printed picking operation report with the image as well as the serial number in it. Like the same way we can download a delivery slip as well. So from here user can see the delivery slip will be downloaded with the product image and as well as the serial number. Now like the same way we can do this for receipt as well. So let me get into the receipt and create a new receipt right away here. Let me add a product. So from here we need to add a product, like add another product as well. Okay, now we need to give the quantity, and also from here if we need to add that image in the print, that is product image in the print, we need to enable this one. And if you need to print a serial number in the format, we need to enable this one. Okay, now let me save this one, and from here we can print and picking operation as well as the delivery slip. Now user can see that image as well as the serial number will be affected in the picking operation as well as in the delivery slip. Okay, so in this way we can make use of this module to get a product image and the serial number in the picking and delivery slip. Thank you for watching.